If you like a cool and refreshing vegetarian salad and you love corn,
we have a homemade corn salad recipe. So come on in. Hey everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Shotgun Red. I'm Sheila.
I'm Jennifer.
And a lot of our viewers have been asking for like vegan recipes.
Vegetarian.
Vegetarian.
A lot of them are on special diets.
Yes, they are.
But actually, anybody would love this cool and refreshing salad, especially if you love corn, and we love sweet corn.
We got a story to tell about corn.
We love corn. So we're going to show you how to get started here. We've got all of our ingredients out here, and we're going to show you how to start chopping things up. So we're starting off with 3 cans of sweet corn. Now you can use regular fresh corn, and you could go ahead and shuck that corn and boil it, and then do like we did on our sweet corn fritters.
Yeah.
And you can watch that video and you can see how to shuck that corn. And
or you can either get 3 cans of corn.
like me too. Or you could just buy the cans of corn.
Like me.
Sheila's like, I'm just buying them. It's easier. So, and throw that in the bowl. We've already got 3 cans of corn that we're starting with. And we're going to chop up our English cucumber, and they don't have a lot of seeds. They make it pretty easy to chop up and put in there. And so I'm going to show you how that's done. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to peel. And you can do this with a knife, or you can do it with your little scraper here. I like to leave some of the green on. I didn't do it on that one, but I do like to leave some of it. It's kind of pretty. And you want to chop all that skin off there. What you want to do is you're going to cut that long ways. You're going to cut it down this way. And then you're going to flip that down, and you're going to cut it down this way again. And you could even do smaller strips. Like this is a big wide piece on this side, so I'm going to do it 3 times like that. And then what you do is you just take them and you chop them up into small bite-sized pieces. And that's the easiest way to chop up your cucumber for your salad. And you just throw that in the dish.
This is fresh basil from Jen's garden, and if you want to chop it up pretty quick, you just layer these things on top of one another, like this right here. And then you take it and roll it up like this. And then you chop it like this.
And it makes it much easier.
And a lot faster.
Okay, so now that we've got our 3 cans of drained corn, sweet corn in here, and we've got our English cucumber chopped up, we're going to have Sheila add some tomato, and these are...
You can use cherry or grape tomatoes. And we're using cherry.
And we chop these in half. So you're going to mix that together. And then
1 sweet red chopped bell pepper, and you can use green or any other ones, but we thought we'd add a little bit of sweet to it. So,
and we've got some red onion, and this is just 1 medium chopped up red onion, sweet and spicy.
Mm-hmm.
That's us,
of course.
And oh, that looks good.
Yes, it does.
It smells delicious. Got that smell-o-vision. And here is that basil that she chopped up.
Chopped up.
Yeah, she got all that basil, and that looks, doesn't that smell delicious? I mean, you could just smell
all this stuff is out of her garden.
Yes, I love fresh vegetables, and I love gardening.
She just goes out that door and out another door, and then almost to another door or whatever. Then she gets outside and she just chop, 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 chop.
I did. I come in with a whole pile of stuff. I'm like, here, chop it up. Okay, so then we're gonna mix that together. And we have a secret ingredient that we like to add in our salad, and that is marinated quartered artichoke hearts. And we're going to put that right on in there. We didn't use all the juice because we have our own dressing we're going to put on there, but a little bit in there.
Oh no.
Oh no.
There's
two. Oh, yeah, don't waste it. Get it all out. So we're going to mix that together. And then we're going to make our dressing. And the first thing we're going to start off with is a 1/4 cup of olive oil.
Right in there.
A little bit more. And then we've got 2 to 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. And I kind of split the difference on that.
Yeah.
We've got a teaspoon of garlic powder. And we've got a squeeze of lemon. And I've got my little squeezer here. It catches all the seeds, so I don't have to worry about that.
Those little things come in handy.
I love these little things.
If you want to do things like grapefruit or lime or anything.
Yeah, gives a nice tart flavor. And then we've got to add a little bit of salt, maybe a half a teaspoon in here.
Oh.
And here's Sheila. She's aiming for the salad. She's ready to eat now.
Yeah, is that enough? That's all you want?
Yeah, it's about a half a teaspoon.
Okay, good.
We're going to do about a half a teaspoon of coarse ground pepper.
All right.
And she's going to grind that on in there. I love when they say, do you want some coarse ground pepper on your salad? Oh, yeah. I love
usually
that.
the places got cloth napkins.
Exactly. Those highfalutin places. All right, that looks good. So we're going to stir this up. Put that salad right back in the middle. And we're going to pour this right over the top of it. And then we're going to mix it up. And we're going to chill it for about 30 minutes in the refrigerator. And then we're going to come back and put some other good stuff on there.
A lot of good surprises.
Yes. And this is so good. You will love this. This is good with anything. And we're going to take that and put that in the fridge, and we'll be back. Show what that looks like. Mmm.
We just took this out of the fridge, and it's been chilling for about 30 minutes.
And we've got some avocado that we've sliced up. And I'm going to take a little bit of this lemon juice and just squirt it over the top of this. That'll keep it from turning brown on you. Some people will put the avocado right in the salad, but I noticed that after time, it'll still kind of turn brown. So I like to just put it on top, and I can always add a little bit more if we wanted to. So
it gives it extra flavor, too.
We're going to just put these pieces right on top of our salad here. And it's so pretty. I love avocado too. And
it's very healthy.
Very healthy. It has a lot of protein and a lot of good stuff that you need.
Yes.
All that good stuff, just as Dr. Jen says.
Yes.
So we're just going to make that look as pretty as we can.
Look at that.
Okay, so then we're going to take a little bit of our fresh chopped parsley and just sprinkle a little bit lightly all over that. I'm going to add a little bit more salt. That's good. Just at the top. And a little bit more ground pepper. And that looks so good. Yummy. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? All right, Sheila. Serve us some up. Get you some too.
All right. Look at all those colors.
It looks healthy. Get you some big old wedges on top. Avocado wedges.
It smells really good.
Oh, doesn't this look good?
It does.
You ready to try it?
I'm ready.
Spoons up. All right. Okay. Oh, it's
Try this.
Avocado and everything in there.
Ready?
I'm ready. Mmm.
That's a good one. It's very spring tasting.
Summer tasting. It's like an explosion of flavors. All the different flavors that are in this is just delicious. You are going to love this. And this is so good. You could take this to barbecues or, you know, family parties or whatever, and just make it on the side dish for regular. Just
don't take it nowhere. Just eat it.
Eat it at home. just eat it at home. We love corn.
This
and
is good.
The artichoke hearts, everything in here is so good. You are going to love this.
As Steve would say, is this the best homemade
corn salad recipe? If it ain't, it ought to be. Thanks again for watching and liking and sharing.
And subscribing.
Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram.
Instagram.
It's bad when we start talking on the same. We're so in sync.
We're thinking all the time. Instagram, Facebook.
And don't forget to join our free membership.
Yes.
It's right below, along with the recipe. And we now have the print feature, so you can print this recipe out and try it out at home You're going to love it. Don't forget to visit shotgunred.com because we've got the world famous Shotgun Red dolls. And we also have mugs and our t-shirt shop. Be sure to check that out because and you'll see that also right below this video. So and don't forget to leave us a comment. We enjoy reading your comments and responding back to you.
There's a lot of them. A lot of comments every day. I just love the comments.
We love reading everything you guys tell us, and we do listen, and we try to improve and do things that we know that you're going to enjoy. So,
and they also say, is this Miss Sheila responding, or is this Jen?
Yeah, they want to know. Yes, of course, we are responding.
We are the ones responding. So.
Absolutely. So you're talking directly to us, and we appreciate you guys following us and subscribing and being here every week with us because we really enjoy doing this for you. So we'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Well, that's She and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.